I do make a lot of Instagram videos showing wigs. And I do that to show the possibilities of non-surgical hair replacement or wearing alternative hair. I like to show people how pretty the pieces are. Technology has improved and wigs have improved so much over the years. And I love my pieces. I legitimately love every piece that I sell. And because of that, I no longer want to offer them online without a consultation. I'm going to make a consultation required for each one of my pieces because I feel like buying the wig is the first step. I feel like further customization is the bulk of the wig buying experience. So that's my plan. My wigs, I want any woman of any background to be able to wear one of my wigs. I want it to be no fuss. There is no melting. I don't want any adhesive. I want to get the piece, customize it so you'll feel totally comfortable in it. And that's it. I don't want any fuss. I want it to be, my wigs are universal. And that's why I'm going to stop selling them online. I'm going to, if you see one, even I can still have my pre-custom pieces. If you see one, you can schedule a consultation and see if you want to purchase her. But I don't want anybody to just go click and buy and forget the customization part of it, because that is one of the most important parts. So now to purchase a wig, we can do a virtual consultation or an in-person consultation. If you can do a virtual consultation from anywhere in the world. I've been doing that since the pandemic started, so that's totally fine with me. I feel like buying a wig should be a totally customized experience. If you go in to get high quality, high-end hair extensions, you have to have a consultation to get the service. I feel like it should be the same with the wigs, with all of my wigs. And that's why I want the consultation to be required. We're not out here looking like bank robbers anymore. These wigs are really nice. And to get one you like and to get one you love, we're going to need a consultation.